Hello, everyone. Welcome back. This is Rando Geek. All right, so we have an update regarding Verizon and Frontier Communications. Looks like this deal has finally been approved, so this is great news for both companies, Verizon and Frontier Communications. The link for this article will be provided down for you in the description, and it is coming from Reuters. All right, so let's dive into it. So it looks like the deal between both companies had shareholders approve the amount of $9.6 billion. All right, so it's huge money there to Verizon. They're saying that even as a number of large investors sought to get a higher price. So they were trying to get the best price possible. They reached an agreement, and Hans Vestberg, CEO of Verizon, says that they think this would be a strategic fit and it would allow the company to become more competitive in additional markets. Their thing is they're trying to compete with AT&T and Verizon. They're trying to offer better deals in the fiber market. All right. Now we know Verizon is really top dog when it comes to their Fios network. Bringing in Frontier together, both companies would be able to reach a massive amount of audience and to strike up better offering, better product deals, and more value for consumers. And they're hoping to take out, like I said, AT&T and Verizon, because AT&T, their fiber market is growing rapidly. Consumers are really taking a lot of it in. They're enjoying it. They're coming and flocking to it. As AT&T continues to build out their fiber market, they're becoming really competitive, and Verizon's getting tired of it. They don't want it. They want to be in charge. All right. So what else we got here? It looks like they'll be paying. Verizon will pay $38.50, so $38.50 a share for Frontier, and absorb about $10 billion of the company's debt. When the deal was announced in September, it represented a 44% premium to Frontier's 90-day volume weighted average share price. They're saying a number of large shareholders last month, however, expressed concern about the price, arguing that Verizon should pay more and signaling that they would vote against the deal. Proxy advisory firms, Institutional Shareholder Services, and Glass Lewis urged Frontier investors to abstain, which would essentially be a vote against the deal in order to have more time to consider options. So, of course, this deal was announced about a year ago, and the big win here is mostly for Frontier, right? They're going to be able to have Verizon come in and wipe out that debt. Together, they're going to work, and they're going to build up a strong, business relationship, which is going to benefit customers greatly. With that being said, they're going to increase their scale with 2.2 million fiber subscribers, and that's going to extend Verizon's network to reach more than 25 million premises across 31 states, including Washington, D.C. They're saying that the transaction is valued around $20 billion and expected to be accretive to revenue and adjusted growth upon closing. They're saying that Verizon reaffirms full year 2024 guidance, projected to generate at least $500 million in annual run rate cost synergies. So this is a lot of stuff here going on. They're saying that the combination will integrate Frontier's cutting-edge fiber network into Verizon's leading portfolio of fiber and wireless assets, including its best-in-class Fios offering over approximately 4 years. All right, so this I guess will probably. So it looks like they're saying that the company is committed to its plan to build out an additional 2.8 million fiber locations by the end of 2026. All right, and then after that, they'll continue that process to offer even more. More growth and more connectivity to more consumers. So the biggest key takeaways are extending Verizon premium offerings and experience to Frontier's consumers and small business customers, creating a market-leading broadband network with superior scale and distribution, uniting Frontier premium broadband offerings with Verizon's premium mobile offering, increasing reach across more markets, aligning Verizon's long-term strategic plan. So Frontier and Verizon are seeing eye to eye for a long-term strategic plan. All right, so substantial financial benefits. The key takeaways for that are going to be accretive to Verizon's earnings, drives significant cost synergies, maintains Verizon's financial strength, flexibility, and consistent capital allocation approach. Additional transaction details: under the terms of the agreement, Verizon will acquire Frontier for $38.50 per share in cash. All right, so yeah, I mean, this is going to be, I guess, a very, very good investment for both companies here, reaching more clients, building up what appears to be a very strong fiber network. So there's going to be good stuff here. As more of this story develops, we're going to continue to hear about this as the build outs start to take place and we start to get more updates on the whole process. We'll be sure to update you guys here with that. As always, thank you so much for stopping by and watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.